Okay, so as developers at Bosk, we're obviously very fond of source control and open source. So with Dockerfiles, things are no different. Um, Dockstore recommends that you use an external Git repository, such as like GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, um, to track and keep track of your Docker files history. And then you can register these Docker files to an image registry, such as Docker Hub, GCR, or KIO. And these will actually build your Docker files into Docker images, and they'll be available to other people and yourself to use. And some of these also have extra stuff like vulnerability scanning. I think KIO will also do some vulnerability scanning, um, which is nice. Okay, so this is some more take-home reading for just best practices for when working with Docker files. I won't go into it here, but they'll also, again, we'll link a lot of extra tutorials in our take-home guide, which we will send later after the conference.